Okay, guys, real quick, I have to roll 2 days for my sushi roll. I have to roll Sunday and Monday of this week. So let's get out our sushi roll challenge from Lisa Grateful Me. Okay, here's our die. And this is going to be for Sunday. Ugh, a 1. Again, another 1. This is crazy. And one more. A 2. Of course it's a 2, guys. And I do owe an IOU on it. I do have another video that's coming out, and I will put the $3 in. $3. So far with the sushi roll, it will be 20, 40, 41, 42, 45. So Lisa, I think you're beating me. Have a nice day, guys.